How to change TikTok font 2023. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to change TikTok font 2023. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. Just pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So right now let's head over to TikTok, and when you open your TikTok right here, and if you click on comments, you can see that this comments has actually different font on the ones that we have on the last few months. So if you want to change that font, I will tell you upfront that there's no way in order to change that font from the settings of TikTok. But what you could do is to just uninstall TikTok right here, because I have found another method that we need to do. So open your browser, and then from in there just search for TikTok old version. And then you can see in here the APK up to down. So we need the up to down website. So let's search for up to down. And you can see in here the TikTok up to down. So click on it. And once you're in there, just scroll down until you can see the version for 29.5.2. So here it is right here from the May 12, 2023. So just click on that version. Click on download right here, and as you can see it will just start downloading, and it will ask you where you want to download it. So click on download right there, and click on download anyway, and click on details so you can know the progress of your download. So let's just wait for it to finish downloading. So as you can see, it is finished downloading, so we can just click on it, and then after that we can just install it. So click on install right here, and it will install TikTok for us. So let's just wait for it to finish installing. So right now let's click on open right here, and then this will open TikTok for us. So we can just skip all of this right here. So start watching. And if you click on this comment section, as you can see, the comments has different font other than the what we have earlier. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to change font on TikTok. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.